Today you can join us to fly with big birds across the rice fields of Nakhon Sawan Province. Welcome to Fly with Odin. To stay in touch, please subscribe and turn on all notifications. To subscribe is free, but you will be able to find us again easy in this huge YouTube jungle. If you think this video is beautiful, just click like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to stay with us, click on one of these thumbnails. Thank you for watching, and not forget to click like and to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video.